Hello, Bruce here from Panasonic, and this is how to do a thing. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cast your Android device to your Panasonic Fire OS TV. Let's get started. First, on your TV, take your remote control and press the settings key. Scroll down until you see display features, and then scroll down from here until you see display mirroring. Inside these options, you'll also have the Apple AirPlay and HomeKit, but we'll save that for another video. Select display mirroring, and then when it comes up with this message, select yes, continue. The next step is on your phone. So take your phone, select your display mirroring feature. In my case, it's called Smart View. Here you should find your TV showing up as one of the options to connect to. Hit connect, and then it will ask you to start casting. Select yes, and you're away. And there you have it. Now you can show people all of your cool photos that you've taken or whatever's on your phone. Nice and easy to zoom in and out, and away you go. There you go. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.